What is good, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today's video, I had some packages come in, so hopefully, we could do some work. So I'm gonna show you what I got. First things first, I got a DNA test pipe, 3-inch. So that's all set. Next to that, I have 2 upper control arms, and the last box is brakes. So what we're gonna be doing today on the Accord, I already got it jacked up and stuff. So let's go ahead and tackle the last pretty much pieces of the front suspension. Not even gonna lie to you boys, I took the wheel off and I'm very, very, very pissed off right now. Because I found my car like this. So I don't know what happened, but that's loose. That's not even connected to the strut tower. So I'm assuming that it probably vibrated loose. And clamp for my passport axle said fuck life. So that's cute. But I'm taking all this stuff off anyway, so could re-inspect it all better. I'm just pretty upset that this happened. Okay, so as you see, spindle's off. It's right there. So no damage to anything. Everything works fine. The clamp kind of just took a shit. So I just zip tied it back together and now it's firm again. This bolt had to like rattle loose or something, but I have another one. I don't know if it's on it or on the ground, somewhere around here. But no wait, I think it's this one. Yep, right here. That's gonna go on there, and I'm gonna blue Loctite every bolt on the suspension, not taking any risk. Okay, so I have a trick. I use a starter bolt for a K-series, and I just pretty much run it through like that, and then when I get far enough, I think right now I should be able to pull this whole assembly up and out. And if not, I just keep going through every end. Okay. This looks fairly new. Clean that up too. Junk. Here are the new rotors. There. Drill slotted. So that should work. And go ahead and put that together. Slap that back together. Put this side on. Start on the driver's side. Look at this. Loctited everything. Got the spindle on the car. Now time to reattach everything. And actually, while I'm here, let me go ahead and just take out the upper control arms. All right, put the brake pads on. I reassembled everything, Loctite everything, and now it should be good. Finally have good pads on there. These were the old ones. So I greased down all the components, the sliding pins and all that stuff. Everything is greased. Everything should be fine. Now it's time to jump over on the driver's side. I also put on the upper control arm. Brand new. Can't even see it. Brand new. My front end is all brand new now. That's on with the bolt. I have to put the brake line back, but that's not a big deal. As suspected, this side did not come loose. It still has the bolt in it. But the spindle did come out a lot faster than the last one. And everything's good on this side. So just in case, I'm gonna go ahead and just double check everything. Okay, suspension is on and looking good as ever. Got the wheel on this side. Just got to put the wheel on that one. And that's it. Then I'm going to call this video quits right here. I think I did a lot this video. Showed you guys a gem or two. Actually, I have a question. How do you guys feel about me going live? And just interact with you guys more. You know, we could probably do like a once a week thing. You know, just to keep you guys updated, let you guys know what's up. Let me know what you guys think though. But if you guys stayed here all the way till the end, man, thank you so much to every single one of you who subscribed, likes, you know, interacts with me. You know, I appreciate all you. But if you guys have stayed and you're still watching, I got a surprise. So on that note, let me know what you guys think. I know I keep repeating the same thing, but if you guys would like me to go live at least once a week, we could set up a time and a date, and we could definitely go live once every week or whatever the case is. Preferably on YouTube, because Instagram is kind of like, I don't know. We'll see. We'll figure it out though. But thank you guys so much. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. I'm out. Peace.